Hi guys! Hi guys! Back again with success homework. Guess what I'm going to do? This time I'm in the kitchen and I'm definitely going to make something delicious. Some time ago there was a new indomie hack. This time there's something called the aceh indomie hack or CAKSU. Come on and accompany me to make.
Prepare the main ingredients: aceh fried indomie, 2 garlic cloves and 1 shallot, 2 chili devils, optional topping sausage. First, slice and mince the garlic, then slice the shallots, chop the chili devil, and dice the sausage.
내 목소리 들으면 갑자기 말문이 턱하고 막힐 것만 같아. 갑작스런 말에 부담될까. 꼭 참았던 말이야. 이제는 내 맘을 보여줄 때인 것 같아. 널 바래다 주고 언제나 혼자서 걷는 길에 왜 괜히 쓸쓸해지는 건지. 이건 사랑인 것 같아.
Once all the ingredients are ready, prepare a saucepan. Saute the minced garlic and shallots with a little oil until fragrant. Then add 300 ml of water. Add 2 eggs, noodles, and seasonings at once, stirring until the eggs are just mixed. Then, add the sausage and chili devils toppings. Cook until the water thickens slightly. Finally, serve the CAKSU noodles in a bowl and ready to enjoy.
I'm finished.